Are you feeling moody, constantly under the weather, or struggling to lose weight? Surprisingly, your gut health might be at the root of these issues. In a world abuzz with discussions about gut health, it's time we delve deeper into how our daily habits impact the delicate balance of our gut microbiome. Join us as we uncover 10 seemingly innocent habits that could be wreaking havoc on your gut health, paving the way for various health issues. But fear not, as we'll also explore alternatives to safeguard your gut and overall well-being. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Your G&T Nightcap. Are you winding down with a gin and tonic after a long day? While it might seem like the perfect way to relax, your gut might not appreciate it as much as you do. Recent findings from the British Gut Project shed light on the impact of different alcoholic beverages on gut health. Surprisingly, spirits like gin can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, potentially leading to issues like inflammation and dysbiosis. But before you put down your glass, there's a glimmer of hope for wine enthusiasts. Red wine, rich in polyphenols, emerges as a gut-friendly alternative that could actually benefit your microbiota. These antioxidants found in red wine can nourish your gut microbes, promoting diversity and balance within your gut ecosystem. So next time you reach for that nightcap, consider opting for a glass of red wine instead of spirits. Your gut will thank you for it, and you can enjoy your evening knowing you've made a healthier choice for your microbiome. Number 2. Your midnight snack. Feeling those late-night hunger pangs? While reaching for a midnight snack might satisfy your cravings, it could also disrupt the natural rhythm of your gut. Research suggests that giving your digestive system a break between meals is crucial for maintaining optimal gut health. When you indulge in a midnight snack, especially after a short bout of sleep, you interrupt the nocturnal activities of your gut microbes. These nighttime hours are essential for your gut to undergo repair and regeneration, and snacking during this time can throw off this delicate process. Instead of raiding the fridge in the wee hours, consider giving your digestive system a break. Experiment with intermittent fasting or aim for longer breaks between your last meal of the day and your first meal of the next morning. By allowing your gut to rest and rejuvenate overnight, you can support a healthier microbiome and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. So the next time you feel tempted by a midnight snack, remember to prioritize your gut's well-being and opt for a night of restful sleep instead. Number 3. Your non-dairy milk. Are you swapping out dairy for non-dairy milk alternatives in your morning cereal or coffee? While it may seem a healthier choice, not all non-dairy milks are created equal when it comes to gut health. Many non-dairy milks contain emulsifiers, additives that help prevent separation, but can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome. These emulsifiers act like soap, disrupting the balance of beneficial bacteria in your gut and potentially leading to digestive discomfort. Before you pour that non-dairy milk, take a moment to read the label. Look for options without added emulsifiers, or consider making your own nut milk at home to ensure purity and freshness. Alternatively, if you're experiencing bloating or abdominal pain, it might be worth exploring other dairy alternatives or reducing your consumption of non-dairy milk altogether. Your gut will thank you for making choices that support its delicate balance and promote overall well-being. So next time you reach for that carton of non-dairy milk, remember to prioritize gut-friendly options for a happier and healthier digestive system. Number 4. Your mouthwash routine. Do you rely on mouthwash to freshen your breath and maintain oral hygiene? While it may seem like a simple solution, your choice of mouthwash could be impacting more than just your dental health. It could be affecting your gut, too. Commercial mouthwashes often contain antibacterial agents designed to kill harmful bacteria in your mouth. However, these same agents can also disrupt the delicate balance of your oral flora, potentially leading to imbalances in your gut microbiome. Instead of reaching for commercial mouthwashes laden with chemicals, consider more natural alternatives. Saltwater rinses, for example, can help cleanse your mouth without disturbing the beneficial bacteria that contribute to a healthy gut. Additionally, adopting good oral hygiene practices, such as regular brushing and flossing, can go a long way in maintaining a balanced oral microbiome. By prioritizing your oral health with gentle and natural solutions, you can support a healthier gut microbiome and overall well-being. So the next time you reach for mouthwash, consider the broader implications for your gut health and opt for a gentler approach to oral hygiene. Number 5. Your desk job. Are you glued to your desk for hours on end, staring at a screen for the majority of your day? Well, it's no secret that prolonged sitting can take a toll on your posture and stress levels. It may also be affecting your gut health. Research suggests that extended periods of sedentary behavior, such as those typical of desk jobs, can increase the risk of gastrointestinal issues like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other gut-related problems. When we remain seated for long stretches, we deprive our bodies of the movement needed to stimulate the production of short-chain fatty acids, crucial for maintaining a healthy gut lining. To combat the negative effects of a desk-bound lifestyle on your gut, incorporate regular movement breaks into your workday. Take short walks, stretch at your desk, or even try some simple exercises like squats or lunges to get your body moving and your gut thriving. By prioritizing movement throughout the day, you can support a healthier gut microbiome and reduce the risk of gut-related issues associated with prolonged sitting. So, the next time you're stuck at your desk, remember to break free and give your gut the movement it craves for optimal health. Number 6. Chewing gum addiction. Think chewing gum is just a harmless habit? Think again. Your love for gum might be taking a toll on your gut health. When you chew gum, you send signals to your stomach to expect food, triggering the release of digestive juices. However, since there's no food to digest, this can lead to overproduction of stomach acid, potentially causing discomfort and disrupting the balance of your gut bacteria. Moreover, chewing gum can also result in swallowing excess air, which contributes to bloating and other gastrointestinal issues. To support your gut health, consider cutting back on your gum habit or exploring alternative ways to freshen your breath. By giving your digestive system a break from constant stimulation, you can promote a healthier gut microbiome and reduce discomfort. So the next time you reach for a stick of gum, remember to consider the impact on your gut and make mindful choices for your overall well-being. Number 7. Juicing frenzy. Are you caught up in the juicing trend, hoping to boost your health with a daily dose of liquid nutrients? While juicing may seem like a convenient way to increase your fruit and vegetable intake, it may not be the best choice for your gut health. When you juice fruits and vegetables, you remove most of the fiber, which is essential for nourishing your gut microbiome. Fiber acts as a fuel for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting diversity and balance. Without adequate fiber intake, your gut microbiota may suffer, leading to imbalances and potential digestive issues. Instead of relying solely on juices, consider incorporating whole fruits and vegetables into your diet. Eating these foods in their natural state provides not only fiber, but also a plethora of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are beneficial for your gut and overall health. By prioritizing whole foods over juices, you can support a healthier gut microbiome and ensure that your digestive system remains in top condition. So the next time you reach for that juicer, remember to think about the impact on your gut and make choices that promote long-term gut health. Number 8. Social media in bed. Do you find yourself scrolling through social media feeds late into the night, even when you should be winding down for bed? While it may seem like harmless entertainment, this habit could be disrupting your sleep patterns and affecting your gut health. Research indicates that excessive screen time, particularly before bedtime, can interfere with your ability to achieve restful sleep. Poor sleep quality has been linked to imbalances in the gut microbiome, potentially leading to gastrointestinal issues and other health problems. To promote better sleep and support your gut health, consider establishing a bedtime routine that doesn't involve screens. Instead of scrolling through your phone or tablet, try reading a book, practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, or engaging in gentle stretches. By prioritizing quality sleep and reducing screen time before bed, you can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and improve overall well-being. So the next time you're tempted to check social media in bed, remember the importance of a restful sleep for your gut and make choices that support optimal health. Number 9. Monotonous diets. Is your daily menu a repetitive cycle of the same foods day in and day out? While sticking to familiar favorites may seem convenient, it could be detrimental to your gut health. Eating a limited variety of foods deprives your gut microbiome of the diverse range of nutrients it needs to thrive. Different types of bacteria thrive on different foods, and by consuming a monotonous diet, you may be favoring certain bacterial species while neglecting others. To support a healthy gut microbiome, aim for a diverse and colorful diet that includes a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Challenge yourself to incorporate new foods and flavors into your meals regularly, and experiment with different cooking techniques and recipes to keep things interesting. By diversifying your diet, you can promote a more robust and balanced gut microbiome, which, in turn, supports better digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall health. So the next time you're tempted to stick to your culinary comfort zone, remember the importance of variety for a happier gut and a happier you. Number 10. Daily Diet Soda Fix. Are you reaching for diet sodas as a guilt-free alternative to sugary drinks? While they may seem like a smart choice for cutting calories, diet sodas could be wreaking havoc on your gut health. Artificial sweeteners found in diet sodas have been shown to disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to issues like dysbiosis and digestive discomfort. Additionally, these sweeteners may contribute to symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other gastrointestinal problems. To support your gut health, consider reducing your consumption of diet sodas and opting for healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of fresh fruit juice. Not only will you be cutting out potentially harmful additives, but you'll also be hydrating your body and supporting a happier gut. By making mindful choices about what you drink, you can promote a healthier gut microbiome and overall well-being. So the next time you're tempted by a diet soda, think twice and choose options that nourish your gut instead. As we've uncovered the 10 daily habits that could be sabotaging your gut health, it's clear that small changes can lead to significant improvements. By being mindful of what we consume and how we live, we can nurture a flourishing gut microbiome, paving the way for better overall health and well-being. So let's bid farewell to destructive habits and embrace a gut-friendly lifestyle for a happier, healthier tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of your gut.